Maybe you would be watching this video on 20th of November, that would be Wednesday. And if you guys are on this channel since last 1 or 2 months, you guys would be aware that on Wednesday I basically share one stock. I basically share one of my trade, which I take in the last week. I share that, I share the analysis, I share the logics behind that trade. What was my mindset behind taking that trade overall, like how that trade performed, whether it was in loss or whether it was in profit. So I generally do that on Wednesday. But today you would be completely seeing the different video. Why I'm saying the different video? Because today I don't have any of the trades to show you. Basically, I don't have any trades to look after. Why? What's the reason behind that? The reason is I haven't traded in the market since last, it would be around last 9 to 10 days. I haven't traded in any of the stock right now. And I'm recording this video on 17th of November. And as of now, like the mid cap and the small cap index has performed very bad since last 1 or 2 months, right? Like over the index has corrected, I believe that approximately around 9-10% or overall of mid cap and small cap index. So right, so like I got few stocks to trade, but generally I avoided all those stocks because overall the market environment was very weak. Overall the market was coming down, right? And in that scenario, to take the risk and to take against the trend, to take the trade against the trend, it would not sound very good to me. That is the reason I haven't traded in the market. And why I haven't traded, why I finally decided, because like taking trades is easy as compared to you when you will looking at the chart, when you will be analyzing the market, when you will looking at everything, and even in the scanners you get stocks to trade. But it's very difficult to just don't trade, even though you are looking at the stocks, even though you are looking at the momentums, but it's very difficult to stop yourself to trade, right? So it was also being very difficult for me as well to not trade even though the stocks are in front of me. But I decided that I'm not going to trade until the market environment gets better, until whatever the stock selection strategy I have, based on that criteria, based on all of those things, if until the market environment gets better, I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to put a like any risk in the market, any penny in the market. Until then I will be on in complete cash. So when this market started falling, at that point of time, I was having few open positions. After that, two of the positions I cut, like trailing stop loss hit, so that I cut it that on small profit, and one stock I made a loss and I exited that. So basically 2 3 stocks at that point of time I was open, so I exited that. And then I decided that until the overall market situation gets better, I'm not going to trade the market. Why I decided that? Because a few days, I think that a few years, not few days, few years back, I read this quote somewhere which says that a good trader is not someone who knows, who have the good accuracy, or who have the very good risk reward, or who might have the very best strategy in the market. A good trader is someone who knows that when to be in the market and when to be out of the market. Why do I say that? That quote is very beautiful. If you'll understand this quote, you will get to know that. And if you will talk to the traders, right, if you will talk to the retail traders, retail players in the market, then you will find that when you will ask what's like how's your overall journey till now, then they will say that we made money, but in just few days we lost all those things. Why didn't you follow the rules? Then they will say that I followed the rules, but somehow my strategy was not performing. That would be the reason, that was the reason. And this was the thing which I was even facing like 1 or 2 years back, when I was not having a proper set of rules for me. So what was the problem that I was facing is, I'll share with you. So the problem was uh, I used to trade, I used to make money, and many people would relate to me. Like if I'll share this incident, I would trade, I would make money when the market environment was good, when the overall market sentiment was uptrend in my favor. I used to make good money. After that, whenever market gets sideways, because market moves in three direction: uptrend, downtrend, or it will move sideways. After uptrend it will take sideways, after downtrend it will take sideways. So after, whenever the trend ends, and whenever market used to take u-turn, or market used to go in sideways direction, I used to keep my risk same. I don't used to reduce my risk. I used to take same number of trades. I used to take same amount of risk. What eventually, at the end of the month, what I used to realize is that I made a good money last month, but uh, I lost around 50 to 60% of that profit in this month just trading, just randomly, just trading randomly in the market, just trading a lot of things, just by taking a lot of trades. And what would be the reason? I used to think that my setup would be performing same in every market situation. I was not giving much importance to this is like when to be out of the market and when to be in the market. And many people I feel that they don't have answer of this. If I'll ask you, pause this video and answer this question, like if you are serious about trading, ask yourself that do you know when you should be in the market and when you should be out of the market? Generally most of the people would not have a proper answer of this question. Why do I say that? Because they don't made a proper set of rules for themselves. So that was the reason I realized that these are the situations. I made the rules, these are the criteria. Whenever like I have my setups, I have my, like in most of the videos I have shown that my dashboard. So I made a rule that whenever this kind of situation occurs, I'm not going to trade in the situation. Whatever the money I've made in the previous months, I'm just going to save that money. And you know, like it sounds very simple, it sounds very easy that just avoiding the trading is like very simple thing, but it is one of the most a hard thing, most tough thing to do. Why like I'm saying like that? Because every day you will be watching the market, every day you will be analyzing the stock, every day you will be get in touch in the market. You have to record the videos, you have to record the content, so you will be analyzing the market, you will be looking at the charts, you will be looking at the stocks. But the only point is you should not be trading, because you know that the market situation is not in your favor. And there will be sometimes when you will be sure कि यार ये stock move हो सकता है and momentum will come in front of you, but you won't be able to take trades because as per your rules are there that you should not be taking the trades. So it sound very simple, but it is one of the most tough thing to be away from the market, looking at everything, looking at the charts, looking at the stocks, but just being away from the market. So what my point, what I tried to share through this video is you should be aware that when you should be in the market and when you should be out of the market. Generally I would have taken 2 3 trades, छोटे छोटे प्रॉफिट्स होते हैं या फिर लॉसेस होते हैं. जनरली आई वुड हैव अगर मैं नेट टू नेट बात करूँ तो मैं भी लॉसेस में ही होता, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग वाज गुड, माय सेटअप वाज गुड, एवरीथिंग वाज फॉर्मिंग गुड, बट ओवरऑल मार्केट एनवायरनमेंट वाज अगेंस्ट मी. मैं जब भी ट्रेड लेता वो ऊपर जाता, फिर से वो घूम के मेरे कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट पे आ जाता, और आई वुड हैव एग्जिटेड दैट ऑन स्मॉल लॉस. सो दैट इज द रीजन यू शुड बी अवेयर कि कब आपको ट्रेड नहीं लेना है एंड कब आपको ट्रेड लेना है. एंड यू नो एक और फीलिंग है जो कि काफ़ी लोग फील करते हैं. आई फील ये स्क्रिप्ट, ये मैंने पॉइंट्स भी नहीं डाला था, जस्ट रिकॉर्ड वाइल रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो आई गॉट दैट पॉइंट इन माई mind. So I would like to share that point with you, that when you will not trade in the market, right, for 5 10 days 11 days, then you will start feeling ki yeah, I am not a good trader, or I might be missing something. When you will looking at the, when you are on the social media and when you will looking at the people making profits or losses or anything, you don't know that what's the result end of the month. But when you will look at the profits and all, then you will be like टेलिंग इन योर माइंड कि भाई मैंने तो लास्ट पिछले 10 12 दिन से मैंने तो ट्रेड ही नहीं लिया है और इस बंदे ने तो प्रॉफिट किया है. सो देर इज समथिंग लाइक फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट कि मैं कुछ मिस कर जाऊंगा, मैं कुछ मिस कर जाऊंगा. इन दिस फियर वी टेक ट्रेड्स इन अ होप कि यार चलो कुछ पैसे बना लेते हैं, 10 दिनों में तो पैसे बनाया बनाया ही नहीं. दैट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग कि ट्रेडिंग काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सेसिबल थिंग. सब कुछ आपके एक्सेस में, सब कुछ यू नीड टू बी डिसिप्लिन, सब क्योंकि सब कुछ आपके हाथ में, आपको कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है. जब आपको मन करेगा आप ट्रेड ले लोगे, जब आपको मन करेगा यू विल जस्ट टेल समथिंग टू योर सेल्फ एंड यू विल ट्रेड, यू विल जम्प इनटू द मार्केट. सो इतने ज़्यादा एक्सेस हमें मिल चुकी है. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो यू कैन से द नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ ट्रेडिंग. क्योंकि बिजनेस में क्या होता है, अगर आपके प्रोडक्ट सेल नहीं हो रहा है देन यू डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शंस. यू कैन ट्राई डिफरेंट मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज, यू कैन ट्राई समथिंग एल्स, बट यू डोंट हैव एक्सेस के आप कहीं पे जाके कुछ भी बेच दोगे. You don't have access to that in business. So same with trading, you should be in your mind you should be clear कि कब आपको ट्रेड लेना है, कब आपको ट्रेड नहीं लेना है. एंड आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर माई सेल्फ एज वेल, क्योंकि पिछले 2 3 दिनों से तो मुझे लग रहा था यार आई एम नॉट अ गुड ट्रेडर, मैं कुछ मिस आउट कर रहा हूँ. मैं शॉर्ट प्लानिंग करने लगता हूँ, मैं दूसरा स्ट्रैटेजी सीख लेता हूँ, मैं इंट्रा डे करने लगता हूँ, काफ़ी ज़्यादा माइंड में कुछ कुछ चलने लगता है, राइट. सो आई फील कि जितना चीज़ मुझे बताना था, जितना चीज़ मुझे इस वीडियो के थ्रू शेयर करना था, आई शेयर्ड मोस्ट ऑफ देम. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. स्टे ट्यून फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.